text description provided by the architects. The house sits on top of hills, with 270 degrees clear view of the skyline. The landscape of grass, stones, shrubs, and the abundance of trees is the first element of architecture proposed to the client from the very beginning of the design stages. The landscapes and outdoor elements play an important and absolute role to determine architecture interior quality. StudioRK does not use landscaping and outdoor space to fill space, instead, they use it to define the space. All living spaces have an inside-outside connection through windows, doors, voids, terraces, balconies, and skylights. They are provided with natural light and ventilation using different proportions of openings and shades, related to different activities and desired space atmosphere. The trees and shrubs are more than just visually aesthetic, they act as a buffer from surroundings, a privacy buffer, a sun heat buffer, and a fresh cool air supply for the house. The interior space then brings those exterior qualities combined with walls and corridors, solid void space, bright to shaded lighting, rough to soft textures, and soft fabrics to rustic metals. Ultimately, the physical qualities of the house are composed to reach the emotional quality of the daily living space.